Hi, I'm Roland and I'm doing a tutorial about Revit architecture. We are now in our part 3 of our tutorial in Revit for beginners. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to set your reminders so that you will be always updated of every tutorials that I'm sharing in my YouTube channel. My topic for today is about basic walls and functions. The next that we're going to explore is this user's interface architecture track. And the first one that we saw it there in our line is this wall. We'll begin with wall. This wall. If I click this wall, you can see this wall architect, wall structure, wall face, wall sweep, and wall refill. And there are 4 types of walls. If I'm going down and go to family, you can see walls also in our family. Walls are is a system. This is a system family. System family. It means to say you cannot load anything, and you cannot remove, and you cannot make another family for a wall. You cannot do anything for a wall except you can only duplicate the wall and rename it and edit it. So it's a family. The family also that is here, like when we go to architect, there is door. This is not a system family. This is a family type editor. You can edit it. You can load another door, just like this one, family M single flash. These are arranged in hierarchy. If I'm going to make it like this, this category is a door, and then door. You can see the hierarchy. This is a family, and this is the type. It is always like this. You can change your family type, and also you can change your type here. You can select any type. These are the dimensions that we have created when we make a family. And then door, windows, these are all not a system family. A system family is this one, roof, ceiling, floor, curtain walls, this one, railings, ramps, stairs. These are all the system family. So now we're going to explore this wall, what we can do with the wall. Now, as I said, there are 4 types of wall, and if I'm going to this family in our project browser, there is a families, and then if I click this plus box there, you can see 3 types of family. One is basic wall, the other one is curtain wall, and the other one is stock wall. This stock wall is a permanent wall. I can drag it and make a stock wall like this. And if I'm going to click this stock wall, then there's nothing. You can edit it. You can edit it only this variable, and no more. The height only you can edit. These are gray and gray. Okay, these are stock wall, but this is only 3. And where is the other one? The other one type of wall is the in place wall. You can go to this one and model in place, and there is also an in place wall. I click this one, and then okay, and I can have a wall. One in place wall. The category is wall, and can make this one or make a square. And then accept it, and I click it, you see this is wall 1. The name is wall 1. And then I accept it, and then I click it, and then because this is an in-place family, there is no family system. There is nothing. These are all blank. You cannot load, you cannot duplicate, because this was created and we did it in place here inside. So I'll delete that, and now let's move to our walls. Now again I'm going back to architecture, and then I click this wall. I make a wall, and what you can see here in wall, first there are options that you need to change, like for example the height. If you want your height to go, this is unconnected. If you click this arrow, the drop panel, you can select up to what height of the floor you want to go into that wall. You can say from ground you can go to up to first floor, and then you can start from, you can go up to foundation, ground floor, roof, second floor, third floor, and unconnected. If unconnected, it gives me 4 meter default. 4 meters default. If I'm going back and go back to and check this down arrow, I can make it up to the roof deck. And then now this cannot be changed anymore. This one is now gray. And then again here down, you can see locations, wall, center line. What is the meaning? If I'm going to make a wall, this wall that I'm creating, it goes to center line like this. Center line like that. If I'm going to make it fine, our view, make it fine. See, this is center line from there to here. And then again, another one, there is also what we call locations, core center. Core center is, we have a core. If I'm going to click this one and go to edit, and then I'm going to edit this wall that we have done, and because this is stock wall, I just wanted to clarify. I need to change this stock wall into another wall. I'll choose this one, and now this is not a stock wall, this is a basic wall. And then if I'm going to check our core, where is our core? Just go here, edit, and then edit, and then our core is here, down, core structure number 1. Number 1, this is our core, and that is 0.19 meters. So if I'm going to make another wall, so and I want to set my location line to core center, see what will gonna happen. Or this is our core. This is from here to here, this is 19. And our outside face, if I'm clicking this is our outside face, exterior face. And also here, I'm clicking it, this is our exterior face. If you want to see this one in 3D, just go to realistic first, and then 3D, and make this one realistic, and this is our outer face. And then you can make also modify of this wall. These are different walls. This wall and this wall is different. So I click this. What I'm going to do is go to match property. I can match property of this one into this. I want to make this one same as this. So what I'm going to do is just select this match property, and the shortcut is MA. So I can make it like this, and now they are the same. They are the same now. Okay, and then go back to floor and then create another wall. See, I'm going to create another wall and go to wall and change my core location into finish face exterior. So our face exterior is here. Here is our exterior. If I'm going to go and drag here, it goes like this, and there it is in our finish face exterior of our grid. Then another thing, I'm going to again select a wall and then change this one to finish face interior. So it will go here outside. So finish interior, and there it goes interior. Then again another wall, and then I'm going to change this one to core face exterior. So our core face, our main core is here, so it selects the face of the core. So here you see our main face is here, so it selected this exterior of our main face. So I'll click this. Our main core is that one. Can go here, and I think this is stuck wall again. So our default is going always to stuck wall. I change this one into our wall that we have selected before. We are again and again in stuck wall. So I'm going to choose this wall, and then go up. Our locations is core face exterior, and then exterior. So this is our core face, and it goes into the exterior. This is 0.19. As if I'm going to select this and there and then edit, you can see our core face is this one. This is 0.15. Okay, 0.15. Structure 1. Exterior 0.15. So we are in core face exterior, and then core face interior. As you can see it also, guys, here is our exterior, and here is our core face. This is 0.15 from here, and this is the core face of the exterior. And then again, I'm going to create another wall, and again I'll change this one to core face interior. It means to say it goes here. So again, click it, and there it goes here. This one is exterior, and this one is interior. Okay, and if you want to see it in 3D, these are the walls that we have created. This is our exterior wall, and exterior wall, and this is our interior wall. And again, what else can we do with the wall? I have selected this wall, and then what you can see here is ground floor based constraint. So we are constrained in ground floor. So here in ground floor, I can change this. If I'm going to click this ground floor, there is also a down arrow, and in down arrow I can select foundations and then apply, and then it goes up to foundation. Also here, if I'm going to right click and then select instances in entire project, I select it. All of these instances will select. They are all same. So here from there, these three, 1, 2, 3, they are same stock wall. So I can change the base constraint into first foundation, like, and all will become foundation. And this is a stock wall, so this one is a stock wall. Want to make this one, all of them similar. This is basic wall, so you can match property. I have selected one so that I go into the modify and match property. I match property here, and now they are all the same now. Okay. And what else can we do? And again, I'm going to select one. So these two, I'll change it also. I'll just select these two. I am pressing my control and then select the other one, and then I can make this one also foundation, and then apply, and there goes up to the foundation. Then what else I can do? If I'm going to select one again, you have the offset. Foundation says offset. So from base offset, from base constraint foundation, I can make an offset. If I will make this one, let's say 0.5, like, now it goes shorter of 0.5 than any other. Okay, I'll show it to you. I'll make it front like this, and here is our front. Here is our, go back to our this is our view cube. I can go back, I can make it left, I can make it again also here, back, and then I can make it top, and then also I can select it, and then I can select here. Okay, it's there. This is our view cube. And if I'm going to right click this view cube, I have also an option. I can orient to the view, and I can set this as our current view. Select this as a current, as our set current view as home. I just selected this, and then this is our home. If I'm going to change this and wanted to go back, then I'll go back there. Okay, that's the thing that we can do in our view cube. So again, I'm going to rotate this, and then rotate this, and I want this as our home. I again select this, and I'm going to set this as our current view as home. Okay, and this is our home. Whatever I do, and then I can go back. Then what else is there? If I selected another one, and then I can have this top constraint. So I can change my top constraint from roof. I can change it into, let's say, second floor, and then apply. Now down. And then again, I can make an offset. I can offset this. Let's say I want to offset it 0.90, apply, and then it goes up to 0.90. If you see it in our front view, there, our second floor is here. This is our second floor, and this is 0.90 DI from the top of this. DI. Cannot do the DI. Okay. Okay, another thing that I can do is I have done this, and then you can make top offset. I have already done a top offset, and vertical cross section. There is also slanted, tapered. You can change this orientation. Not compatible, just only vertical. If I'm going to make it vertical and then make it slanted, and then you can change the angle. You can change the angle into, let's say, 30 degrees. Like now it's slanting now. Okay, this is the thing that we can do on our next maybe next tutorial topic. We're going to discuss about facing, and then again you can bring this back to 0. Slanted, I'll just make it that one, and then apply, and then back to 0. Okay, and then what else can we do with the wall? Say I'm going to click this wall, and I'm going to this edit property, and I can what I can do here, there are many options. Like here in structure, I can edit the structure, and here there is also wrap at insert and wrapping at end. So again, we're going to discuss that wrap. If I'm going to say wrap, I click this, and then there is an option of wrap. So I'm going to wrap the end, because here it's none. So I'll wrap it in exterior light. Okay. You can say make it realistic. You can wrap exterior, and you can wrap also interior light. Make it fine. See, these are top. And then again go back and make it none, and then apply, and it's none. Okay, you see the difference? Again, I do it again, back, wrap, exterior light, there, exterior wrap, exterior. This is our exterior wall. When you see this is our exterior wall, I wrap it. These are all wrapped with the exterior, everything wrapped. This one end, all the end wrapped with the exterior. If I'm going to change this into wrap, edit and change it into wrap interior light. Okay, now our interior wrap, the end and the top and everything, I wrap it. Okay guys, we see you